In this video, we are going to create an authentication folder and explain Next.js route groups, those folders with bracket. Let's just get into it. So as you can see, this is the page that is running at the moment. This is where the page is. Okay, so what we are going to do, we're just going to go here and just remove everything and use a shortcut, which is RFC or RFCE. Any of these, let's just type RFC. As you can see, a quick boilerplate has been created for us. And then if we click save, now we've got this page, which is this one. In case you might be asking, how do you get this quick boilerplate? Let's just go to extension. And then here is the extension that you need to install. ES7 plus React/Redux. Here is it. Then once you install it, then you can go to your code. Okay, go to your code and just type RFC. Okay, and then from then it will create this for you. So as you can see now, we have managed to change like the root page, okay, which is this page. What we want to do here, we want to create the auth folder, okay? So why are we going to create the auth folder? It is very important in your structure to organize your code in such a way that it's clean and easy to understand. We are going to have the auth section and we are going to have the app section. So for now, we are busy with the auth section. So let's create a folder inside application. And this folder we are going to put, for now, let's just type auth, okay, without the brackets, okay, so that I can explain the concept of route groups, okay. And then let's move this folder, or let's just copy. Let's copy this page to auth, okay. Copy the page to auth. And then let's just take a look at how things are done here. Let's just type auth here, check here. So if we type auth here, so auth is some sort of a folder in the structure. So let me just change this to auth so that you can see auth is running here. Okay. As you can see, this is auth. This folder, it's visible. Okay. In our case, we don't really want this folder to be visible, okay? But at the same time, we want this folder to be a parent for all the authentication route. So what we are going to do, we are going to change this to put the bracket so that it can be inside the bracket, okay? And then as you can see now, it's telling us that this auth doesn't exist. As you can see, when this gets the bracket, it just becomes silent, okay? The server is missing it. So it doesn't treat it as a route necessarily, okay? It just treats it as a group. So how can we get this to work then? So inside this route group, which this is a route group, we can have sign in, okay? Which is this will be seen, and we can move this file to here. Yes, we want to move it, and then update imports always, okay. And then here we can say now this is no longer auth, this is sign in, okay. So if we want to get to this sign in so that we can show this page, how can we do it? Maybe one might feel like we are going to put the auth here and then / sign in. This is wrong. Let's just quickly test it. As you can see, this route doesn't exist. Why? Because this route group is silent, okay? Even though it's there, it's not for the browser. It's for the server. The server knows it, but the browser doesn't know it. So if the browser doesn't know it, it treats as if it doesn't exist. So as you can see, now that it's not there, we are able to hit the sign in. So this folder with parentheses or with brackets is a route group. It helps us to organize our code, but it doesn't necessarily affect the URL. So to make things cleaner, inside this auth, we are going to have sign in, but inside this auth as well, we are going to have sign up. Okay, and in the sign up, we can just copy this page and paste it here. And then instead here, we can just write sign up. And then if we save this and we save this, then this means that we can also go to sign up here. That means there is a spelling error that I did. Okay, sign up. Let's just check, double check, sign up. And then let's go to this folder. Okay, let's just quickly check what might have happened. Okay. Okay, that means inside here we've got, okay, so this sign up folder, it happened to be inside sign in, of which that's not what we want. Okay, let me take it out and then let me paste it here. As you can see now, it's inside the auth folder. Okay, now it can show. Okay, so let's wrap up and summarize. Okay, what we did, we created a route group. Okay, that necessarily doesn't show here, it doesn't show here. Okay, it's just for our code to be clean and also organize, or it's involved with layout. I will explain more about layout later. Okay, so for now, just treat it as a folder that helps us to organize our code. So as you can see, we've got this group here. That means this is for authentication. Inside authentication, we've got sign in, we've got sign up, and this route group doesn't appear here. And that is it. I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. Thank you so much. If you like content like this, please don't forget to help me to grow the channel by subscribing. See you on the next one.